As of March 16, 2025, PiNetwork has marked its 6th anniversary with significant milestones, including the completion of its mainnet migration and the launch of the Open Network PiFest. So how might these developments impact price? These developments aim to enhance real-world adoption and utility for PiCoin. However, the cryptocurrency market's response has been mixed, reflecting both optimism and caution. PiCoin is currently trading between a support level of $1.20 and a resistance level of $1.90. This range has been tested multiple times, indicating strong market activity from both buyers and sellers. Support level $1.20. A drop below this level could lead to further declines, testing lower support zones. Resistance level $1.90. A breakout above this level could trigger bullish momentum, with the next major target at $3, a historical resistance point. Recent developments impacting PiCoin. Mainnet migration completion. PiNetwork successfully concluded its mainnet migration, a pivotal step toward decentralization and broader adoption. PiNetwork successfully concluded its mainnet migration, a pivotal step toward decentralization and broader adoption. This transition enhances blockchain integrity and security, facilitating seamless transactions and smart contract deployment. The introduction of the PI domains auction system aims to create platform-level utility for PiCoin, allowing community members to secure customized domain names within the Pi ecosystem. This development is expected to bolster the network's infrastructure and user engagement. The inaugural Open Network PiFest shopping period, running from March 14th to March 21st, encourages users to engage with Pi-powered local businesses, promoting real-world utility for PiCoin. The PiNetwork community has exhibited mixed reactions to these developments. While many celebrate the successful mainnet migration and new features, concerns persist regarding the KYC verification deadline, which led to unverified users forfeiting their Pi holdings. Looking ahead, PiNetwork's focus on expanding its ecosystem, securing exchange listings, and increasing merchant adoption could drive further demand for PiCoin. Analysts suggest that a successful listing on major exchanges like Binance could significantly boost PiCoin's value, with some projections estimating prices between $5 and $10. Price prediction. A breakout above the $1.90 resistance level could set PiCoin on a path toward $3. Further milestones, such as major exchange listings and increased adoption, could propel the price higher, with some analysts forecasting potential values between $200 and $500 by 2030. Bullish scenario. A breakout above the $1.90 resistance level could set PiCoin on a path toward $3. Further milestones, such as major exchange listings and increased adoption, could propel the price higher, with some analysts forecasting potential values between $200 and $500 by 2030. Bearish scenario. Failure to maintain the $1.20 support level could lead to a decline toward lower support zones, potentially testing previous lows. Investors are advised to monitor these key levels closely and stay updated on PiNetwork's developments, as the project's progress and market dynamics will significantly influence PiCoin's future price movements.